Okay, so got some bacon and butter in the pan getting hot, and gonna get some eggs ready for lunch. Okay, coming over here. So this is 5 eggs from just a little over 4 years ago. It's just a few months after we got our machine. Gonna add 200 grams of water, already have it weighed out. And gonna put it in this little blender container and try that out, see how that works. When I was starting out with the eggs, I didn't crush them or anything, so I think putting them in here to kind of make sure they're powdered is a good idea. So these are our last 5 bags of the freeze-dried eggs we did. I think we did 10 dozen, and these are the last 25 eggs, so the last 2 dozen. So I'm going to put it into the container. Okay, so I'm going to put this on, give it a pulse. Just going to give it a quick pulse. Okay, so it kind of powders it up. Thinking that'll help it rehydrate easier. Oh, there's still some pretty big chunks in there. I'll give it another one. So definitely I should have powdered it before I bagged it, but okay. Well, gonna try that. So 200 grams of cold water in this case. So I don't want to froth them up or anything, I just want to give them a quick mix. So just the littlest pulses. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of milk to that. I would add cream if we had it, but I have milk. If you like freeze-drying videos, don't forget to go check out Catwood Cooking. They try to put their videos out on Fridays. Go give them a look, subscribe, like, and come back and do the same with ours. Get some bacon and butter heating in there. Gonna get it just a little bit warmer. All right. So I'm going to add a little sprinkle of cheese on top. And then I'm going to finish it off in the oven. So I've got it preheated so it's nice and warm. And I just like to finish it that way. Makes it nice and even. All right. Nice and done. came out pretty nice. Yeah, I think I should have used more eggs. Or a smaller pan. That thing's giant. But that's it. Oh, scorching. Reminds me of eggs. Okay, they're perfect. I don't think I could tell the difference from not freeze-dried to freeze-dried. This would be good with a piece of sausage and on a thin bun. That's what we do a lot. Oh, the sausage on the freeze-dried Pillsbury triangle pieces. I need to try that. It's good, but it's plain. Oh, I know for one thing, I forgot the salt and pepper. When I was cooking it, or making it, very little. Don't need much. The bacon adds a lot of good flavor. Okay. Well, that's better. A little salt and pepper makes a big difference. Make a nice round and put it on a thin bun or the Pillsbury pieces.